Basically, I just want to get a better update about how you've been doing to see what else we can adjust to accelerate your recovery. Just give me like the day we started, because it's been about 6 days, right?
Yeah, I've got to be honest. I'm totally blown away. For day one, because I'd been bleeding again, and bleeding stopped after one day. My gut just, I would say, so yeah, started on the Monday, stopped bleeding. I didn't have a lot of energy Monday, Tuesday. I was really white, but my gut straight away felt settled. So I was pretty happy with that. And by Wednesday, so day 3, I just felt my energy started to pick up. I felt my muscles were really fatigued, but yesterday and today, they're not nearly as bad, because yesterday I got out for a walk. It was absolutely fine. I felt my legs were great. Still a little bit, slight muscle pain, but it's definitely getting better every day. My energy's picking up. Yeah, gut wise, I wake up in the morning, and normally when I'd wake up in the morning, I had to go to the toilet straight away. I don't get that. I can lie there and just feel content. I've got happy thoughts going through my head, and not like total negativity that is just like, straight away. And yeah, just totally positive things I can say. I'm obviously not where I want to be yet. I'm well aware of that. But it's just like after 6 days, I just can't actually believe the difference.
Yes, I'm so happy for you. We do have 2 other clients with colitis in the program right now, and they just not coming to the classes. They usually watch the replay. And one of them is also doing much better. And then the other one, she's still very slowly able to eat because she did have a lot more inflammation starting out.
As you probably can see, I will do exactly what I'm told to do. I am very disciplined. So when my naturopath blamed me for not sticking to the program, that's, as you know, that's not true. Because I just did what she told me to do. So it's I'm very good. I play by the rules. I don't break the rules. So it's yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry that she said that, because if a person cares about you, they would be happy for you to try something else or even encourage it. And like I said, some of the things can work for some people if they're not as sick as you, but that's why people do come to us, because they've already eating really healthy, but they still are causing the inflammation. It's still staying there. So we help them make those adjustments. So, if she's really negative to you, just don't talk to her.
Yeah, I know. Is that, do you know, she's taking the huff with me, because I replied to her text and she didn't answer. So I sent her a long text, and I thought, do you know what? I don't want to be not nice to her, but yes. Actually, I was very disappointed, because everything, you didn't do this, you didn't do that, you didn't stick to my guidance. And she said, her last words were, I hope you listen to what those girls say, or the next. Yeah, I hope you take the advice of the next people. Absolutely. Of course, I'm going to take advice. Because I want to heal. So it's it's one of those things. It's done.
That's why I think sometimes also people because she doesn't have the daily report. But because we review, we do know that you're doing it the way that it is, but also you're getting better. That's why we're adding other foods back. And so that's why sometimes, maybe because she's not really seeing you, and you're doing it right, but she's not seeing it. She assumes maybe you're not doing it right because she's not really seeing it. Okay, well, good to see you, Jillian.
You too.
Okay, talk to you soon.
Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.